Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now today I haven't got any mascara on or anything right now, so I'm going to be doing a testing magnetic eyelashes, and the company Big Beauty Bang got in touch with me and they sent me these for free, which is very lovely of them to try and test for you guys. Also, I think I have a discount code if you want to go grab them. I will tell you what it is right now. So I get a 10% off code for you guys, which is LucyX10. I'll put it on the screen here for you to go check it out. And the link to the website where I got this stuff from is down below in the description box. So yeah, give it a look and then see if you fancy anything, and then you also get 10% off with me as well. So yeah. Oh, and look, I have such baggy eyes over here. And a queen. Very tired. Please just, that's why. Okay. So I'm just going to pop on some normal mascara quickly first. And this is the Douche, yes, Douche, Punk Volumizing Mascara. I don't know if you can see it, probably not going to focus. But it's just one I have, which is good. I like it. It's a little mini. There you go. A bit more normal. So I've just zoomed you out a little bit, just to have a look at the packaging. So they are just, yeah, let's have a look at how they come. Okay. Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with these. Wait. So I'm gonna show you something. Look. They like join together. How cool is that? I love that. I think that's so cool. So what we are going to be doing is I'm going to be putting them on and trying them out for you. They just stick together like that. It's quite cute. Oh god, I don't think this is going to go very well. Oh, yeah. This is great. I need a person to hold my mirror. Oh, I wish that worked. Nope, didn't work. Let's try again. I like the concept that you don't have to use lash glue though, because I really don't like lash glue that much. I'm not a massive fan, because I can never be bothered to wait for it to dry. Oh, this is hard. I'm going to try to do this off camera quickly, and then I'll see if I can do it on camera with this. I think I managed to do one. I don't know. It didn't go well. What is happening? I actually am very angry right now. So I got them on. So they're all right. I'm not against... Actually, I don't know. They're cute when they're on. Like, they look nice. And you haven't got the problem of waiting for lash glue to dry and stuff like that. But, and if you like lose it in the club. But then if you lose it in the club, or if you go out and you've had a few too many drinks, it's gonna be impossible to get. Like, I am struggling right now to do it. Oh, I look like I'm naked. I'm not. Why do I say this stuff? It's actually so embarrassing. They look cool when they're on. Nightmare to get on. And the packaging's cute. So yeah. I don't know. Out of 10. It's not really... I don't know if it's a hack or not, because it's a little bit tricky. I want to give them a... I'm going to give them a 6. Go with my gut feeling. I'm always right with my gut feeling, so I'm going to go with the 6 out of 10. Because they look nice when they're on, but they're just a nightmare to get on. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you like these kind of beauty hack videos, then just let me know as well by giving it a thumbs up. And yeah, subscribe if you're not already. I would love that. We're so close to 1.5k I think, which is cool. About a year ago I started my channel, so never thought I'd get that. I don't know, I just kind of did it as a hobby. Never really thought of the subs like a lot of people do, which is not good. But yeah, I think they look cute, but I just keep saying but yeah. I will see you in next week's video, which I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. If you have any ideas, please let me know. I need help. I will see you in next week's video. Bye!